I need to show you something. Like, you see the pictures first. This is how my skin got tanned. I was on a work trip to Montreal for a week, and that's how it affected my skin. You see the tanning? That's me exactly 1 week before coming to India, and you can see my skin right now. Now, I had a lot of options in Canada as well for the detan removal mask and all. I also booked an appointment, honestly, but when I went there, like on my appointment, they were using bleach in their masks to remove the tan, and that's what I didn't want it to do with my skin, because I didn't believe in any harsh treatment, especially when it comes to my skin. So I tried to do something that is really simple, which is coffee and curd. Now I use this mixture continuously for quite some time. I am going to show you the progress day by day, how it actually helped detan my face, and the results honestly shocked me. So today I'm gonna show you exactly, because I know when you are tanned, it's like the biggest issue. I was tanned myself and I was searching everywhere, detan masks, what to do, how to do. And believe me, that's the whole point of making this video, so that it will be helpful for others as well suffering from the same issue. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how often I use it and whether it actually removed my tan completely or not. Even if I step out for 10 minutes in the afternoon, my skin changes, and no matter how many sunscreens I use, there is one particular sunscreen that is now working for me in terms of tanning. But the whole point is that sometimes it's unavoidable, especially when you're getting married, because you have to go out a lot. Like every single thing for your jewelry, makeup, everything, you have to go out a lot in general, which means there are high chances of you getting tanned, that too right before your wedding. So I did nothing special. I just went back to the basics. So exactly the kind of DIYs our moms used to swear by. That's exactly when I remembered this combo. Curd for soothing and coffee for exfoliation. Together, this is a powerful combo for tanning. Now, for this combo, I took 1 tablespoon of plain curd, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. Mix them until you get a smooth paste. Now, the consistency really depends on what you want to use it for. Like, if you want to use it as a face wash, which exactly what I did, you need to make it like runny. But if you want to use it as a detan pack, I will suggest keeping it a little thick. You can also add a drop of honey if your skin feels dry. For me, my skin doesn't feel that dry. Now, curd has lactic acid, which helps in mild exfoliation and brightening your skin. Coffee helps in removing the dead skin and gives you that instant glow on your skin. Now, I applied it on my clear skin and left it on for 10 to 15 minutes, not more, because coffee can also stain your face if it dries too much. The main thing comes is that before rinsing, I actually massaged it really gently on my face for about 30 seconds. And then I rinse it off with the cold water. That's exactly how I used it on my skin. I did it continuously for a week, and honestly by day 3 I could already see a difference in my skin tone. Definitely started evening out and felt smoother. The tan was literally gone and my skin looked brighter. So talking about the results, did it work? I will say 100% yes. This tiny DIY, in fact, I will say worked better than some high-end detan mask. The glow was natural, no burning, no irritation on the skin, just soft, bright skin. Now, what I will suggest doing is, if you have sensitive skin, make sure you're doing a patch test before applying it all over your face, because coffee can be slightly acidic. And remember that this isn't permanent. You still need your sunscreen. Just wear your sunscreen every day. And whenever you feel like your skin is tan, I will suggest just adding it into your weekly skincare routine. Just detan your face every week if you want to keep the tan away. But yeah, if your skin is supremely tan like mine was, I will suggest use it continuously for a week, then give it a break. And once your skin is like even toned, you can use it like the way I'm using right now, which is like using every week into my weekly skincare routine. That's my coffee plus curd tan removal story. If you are someone who gets tan super easily or who hates applying those bleaches and detan creams on your face, this mask is the safest thing to go for. That's all that I wanted to share. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.